how many percent demand of electric kettle in your country? And how many market can you catch? Now let me show you how to make an electric kettle by your own. Firstly, I want to show you how it is running if a real electric kettle factory running. Let us see the videos.
How to make electric kettle and how you cooperate with SunGlory without any headache. Today, let me introduce our backup support, mold engineer Mr. Bao。包生，你從事模具有幾多年啦？
有22年咁上下啦。
哦，哇，22年，咁你從事呢個水壺模具呢？
水壺模具從08年開始，一直都就所有嘅工藝流程，整一套攞一個產品樣板或者發個3D 圖過嚟，就可以全部做晒啲模具出嚟啦。基本上都可以放心交俾我哋。
Mr. Bao have more than 20 years on the mold, so without any headache, feel free to cooperate with SunGlory. Now we are visiting our customer's factory. Here is for made injection product. Electric kettle have button, handle, and material for plastic and bakelite. If your kettle capacity is getting higher and you want to make in your own factory, SunGlory can make A to Z turnkey project for you. Electric kettle factory running and how to start from blanking process to final process. Now let's go. turnkey project. You make money, we make solution. Succeed with some glory.
So after this video, are you interested to make your own electric kettle producing line? If you want to make your own, please contact us. And if you have any question or doubt, please leave your message to my WhatsApp. Also, after these videos, there were many customers that asked me before, so you may also interested about these questions, like how many piece electric kettle one line can produce per day. I want to let you know that one producing line's capacity is based on our customers' requirement. From one line, it is estimated 900 to 1,200 pieces per hours. But after you update your producing line step by step, it can reach the double capacity, like 2,000 to 3,000 pieces per hours. So we will happy by this capacity. And also, the customer has asked before, like how many space it is required for whole producing plant. We suggest you the bigger the better. Normally, it is 1,000 square meters for power plant and over 1,000 square meters for injection plant. And what will be the investment of this project? For metal pump, whole investment is estimated 300,000 to $400,000. The electrical capacity in China, around after 1 year, they start making net profit. So if you want to know whole investment, including the injection parts, please let me know. Contact my WhatsApp. And also, customer asks, do your Sun Gallery have done any electric kettle project before? We have done many electrical projects in China. We had two molding centers, one in Shenzhen for top brand quality, while another in Zhongshan for mass people quality. For overseas, it is the newest project in 2020. We will support to make the whole electrical production line and support them to make money. Are you the one? Please contact us for your brighter future. And so far, so we were wondering what will be the detailed process for producing the electrical factory. Let me show you the PowerPoint. This is the parts of electrical. It includes the little parties, handle parts, kettle bottom, waste parts, cable, controller and switch, inner wires, kettle body and heating plate. The metal body we all can supply you. And include the injection part we all can support you to make. The other parts we can provide the supplier content. So this PowerPoint will include 7 parts. All injection towers is formed by the injection machine, and then the metal body is start from the blanking process. After rolling it, it will be the kettle shape. Then we need to welding. Make the welding thing flatten, and we can start to shape your old design electric kettle by the hydraulic press. You may seen this in the video before. After forming by the hydraulic press, we use the punch machine to cut the kettle edge and bend the edge, rolling and beat, and trimming the bottom. After this hydraulic and press process, we need to wash it to remove the deep drain oil for next correction process and also remove the dust. So in this, we polish it by this two hands pressure. After the whole polishing process, we start to making the bottom. The face also blending by the punch machine. You can share the one punch machine with the body itself. And finally, we brazen the heating wires to with the button. After brazing, we polish it to make a mirror finish. And then combine the bottom with the body. And the kettle mouse, we also can use the same punching machine. After forming, we can and making the water hose of the kettle body. We use the welding machines to weld the mouse and body together. All the metal parts we also can provide for you, including the ears for the handle. The kettle cover is also formed by the punching machine. It is used for process. So one line for the metal parts from the handle parts, kettle body, and the heating plate button. One line all can made by one line. So is it amazing to make your own electric kettle in your city? So you deserve to have your own. complex Singularity. So still with Singularity, we're looking for work with you together.